between Sadramaya and Keshav Kumar.
Absolutely, keeping a close watch on that story. But for now, it's time for us to move on and get to the other stories. This one is from Jammu and Kashmir, where in a clear defiance of restrictions, former Jammu... It is Omar Abdullah who jumped the closed gate of Kashmir Martyrs Memorial in Srinagar. This is the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir who jumps over the barricade, being stopped by the security personnel, but he forces his way inside. This comes a day after he was allegedly placed under house arrest ahead of the Martyrs' Day. Now, this is a surprise feat that comes a day after he and top Jammu and Kashmir leaders were barred from visiting the Martyrs' graveyard or Mazar-e-Shahuda to mark the anniversary of the July 13 killings. Clearly in the visuals, you can see how in a very, very dramatic move, the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah drove to the Martyrs' graveyard this morning, resisted police's attempt to stop him, and other National Conference leaders from visiting the memorial scaled a wall and paid tributes to Kashmiri protesters shot dead by Maharaja Hari Singh's Dogra forces on July 13, 1931. In fact, we have a reaction from the Chief Minister himself. Let's listen into how he has to go and defend himself.
बड़े अफसोस की बात है कि वो लोग जो खुद इस बात का दावा करते हैं कि उनकी जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ सिक्योरिटी और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर है, उनके वाज़ेह हिदायत के मुताबिक हमें कल यहां आके फातिहा पढ़ने की इजाजत नहीं दी गई। सबको सुबह सवेरे ही अपने घरों में बंद रखा गया। यहां तक कि जब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता गेटें खुलना शुरू हुई और मैंने कंट्रोल रूम को बताया कि मैं यहां आना चाहता हूं फातिहा पढ़ने के लिए, मिनटों के अंदर अंदर मेरे गेट के बाहर बंकर लगा और रात के 12-1 बजे तक उसको हटाया नहीं गया। कहने के लिए तो ये कहते हैं ये आजाद मुल्क है, लेकिन बीच बीच में ये लोग समझते हैं हम उनके गुलाम हैं। हम किसी के गुलाम नहीं हैं।
Zeenat is joining me live from Srinagar. Zeenat, what is this dramatic move all about? Is it a publicity stunt, and what do the government rules tell us?
If you go back into the past, this day was a gazetted holiday, and the leaders, including the police department, would pay homage to the martyrs of 13 July 1931. But for the last now 3 years, we are seeing this is no more a gazetted holiday, and it has been scrapped. But now we are seeing yesterday the National Conference and the other political parties have gone to District Development Commissioner Srinagar seeking permission so that they are allowed to visit the Mazar-e-Shahuda, which is the graveyard in the Naqshband Sahib Shrine in downtown of Khaniar. But the permission was denied yesterday. All the leaders were put under the arrest, in a house arrest, a detention kind of. But today we are seeing the Omar Abdullah climbing the wall, because there had been a lot of drubbing against Omar Abdullah that he's a stink duck. He has no powers and he could not even pay the floral tributes to the martyrs of 1931. And today Omar, while he drove himself to the Khaniar downtown area, and you can see in the visuals also Omar is climbing the wall of that very shrine and enters into the premises of that very shrine, pays floral tributes, and also the Fatiha was prayers were also recited in this very compound of the shrine, although they violated the norms because the bunkers were already placed, because district administration was not allowing any of the leaders to visit this shrine and to pay this homage and the floral tributes to those who were killed in 1931, because earlier this was a gazetted holiday, no more a gazetted holiday. It has been taken out from the list, although there had been demands, particularly for the last 3 years, to restore this as a holiday. Today we are saying that Umar jumping there and climbing the wall violated the guidelines and paid the tributes to telling the people that, see, I'm not a sitting duck, but I have my own way of dealing with the things. I can go wherever I want. And Umar is also citing that all my people were put under detention. All the homes were locked. That is why many of them could not visit yesterday. But yes, meanwhile, we are also seeing today the Minister for the Education and Health, Sakina Yatoo, was seen on a scooter when she visited this place day before yesterday. Iltija Muftidi, without giving a slip to the security, also paid the floor.
Absolutely, Zeenat,
although
yes.
This is a big controversy that is coming in Sri